before this time, China and Pakistan has taken some part of Ladakh. Then no people were saying
It's okay. Just when the Pahalgam attack, there was also much person are dead. Then Pakistan.
Many
did,
person.
But when the chance of they are allowing they are saying that we will not do. What is this?
So, Mr. Adarsh, for all of your kind information, that ceasefire is the main reason for two. There are main two reasons for ceasefire. That one is to kill the terrorist camps on Pakistan. We killed many terrorist camps in Pakistan, and the second reason is to get the POK again from Pakistan. The second reason.
Very good, very good. Tap the table. Fantastic. Tap the table. Nice. Good points.
Again from Pakistan. This is the main reason behind the ceasefire. Thanks.
Very good. Yes. Others, how will you face them?
so. Do you know when the India launched missile on the base where the nuclear missiles are being made?
Very good.
India is planning for Pirana hills there, and there is Ashanka.
It was the doubt.
It was a doubt in our Indian army that the Pakistan hided.
Our Indian army was having a doubt.
Pirana hills. We all hear that in news. Pirana hills is in very trending between India and Pakistan. So we are just targeting because of ceasefire. It stopped targeting.
Very nice.
Then Pakistan is totally
Because of
destroyed, and their terrorists were totally destroyed. When ceasefire is not happening.
Yes, others kill now. What is this?
So do you know because of before ceasefire, India attacked on the camp where the nuclear missiles are being made? Do you know this?
What?
They attacked on the camp of terrorists where the terrorists have trained for the future. Actually, our India. Excuse me, Mr. Adas. Our India doesn't make a terrorist. They make a defense. They make a.
I am saying that India has attacked on the base where the nuclear missiles are being made, and in the prayer assemblies, our president have also told that the Pakistan has taken much boron from Misr. So how he can survive now? He is struggling for his life to stop the.
So they have to try their own convince like.
No, very first, give a big hands for Mr. Adarsh. It means that he is, when listen to me, when he sits when he joins prayer assembly, he listens the people very attentively because he has given the example of principal sir. Our principal sir has said something very good, fantastic. Keep it up now.
Thank you, Anderson. Yes.
This is your turn.
We all know that principal sir has told us nuclear fission, but someone is जानबूझकर.
Willingly.
Willingly, our decisions are not attacked on the nuclear fission because we don't want to attack like with nuclear fission. We have to attack on the.
Right now, Mr. Adarsh, you sit now, please. Miss Palak, now it's your turn. P for Palak. Carry on, please.
It is not like
Face the whole group.
but
Whole group.
like
The whole
some
group is
minutes
defending.
say
Keep in
that
mind.
it is when the Pakistan attacked the India, so it is also we have to also give the answer back. But can you tell me one time if the Pakistan do such type of things, we can also do. If there is 26 members killed and there is also one like Miss Fala said that there is a husband who killed. So why the fighting her husband got come back?
Actually,
his husband.
Very good. You have made one by one. Excuse me. Hello, dear students. Wait, Miss Navika, what do you want to say?
Because of his husband came back for fighting. Why the fighting?
Miss Palak, if they killed our citizens, 26 of we have the capacity. We will kill to 26,000 of these.
But it is also
Pakistan.
And
Miss
Pakistan, so we can remove.
Actually, Miss Nalka, you are talking on because you are sitting, you are not fighting on that time.
Right. Very good. A big hand for Miss Palak. Tap the table. Miss Arya, tap the table from your side. Yeah, right. This is now real debate. Come and carry on, please.
You are standing here and talking about the feeling of the girl who's.
Yeah, excuse me. All right. Fantastic, Palak, fantastic. Palak. We are in the favor of Palak. Wait. One by one,
But
one by
there's only one girl has killed, but when you are fighting, so there are many girls.
Yeah.
Your that time to ask.
Right. Wow, very good, fantastic. Very good.
So if
No, no, keep it up, keep it up. No need to be silent. You have to find your chance.
We have to keep still, we don't listen about
Nobody will give you an invitation card to
If
speak.
Pakistan destroys us, so we can also. But if we are destroyed, if Pakistan destroyed us, so we can also destroy. But if
This is the rule of destruction. Hello. This is the Nana Palak is saying right this time. If someone tries to destroy us, we should also destroy, right? We should also destroy the person. This is the rule of destruction, and this is the rule of destruction. The whole earth goes on the rule of construction, not the rule of destruction. Very good. Palak side, tap the towel. She is fighting very well. She is fighting very well. Yes. Wait.
Don't think about that.
Very good. Palak will kill all one by one today. Very good. Keep it up. That is fine. Fantastic. Vedanti, you are very silent. You are hearing. Very good. Keep it up. You are hearing, right? Right.
Ceasefire is arranged so Pakistan will not attack on India, but they are
Pakistan also destroyed and India will also destroy, because if Pakistan is destroyed, India will also destroy.
But Miss Palak, one question is there. Asking me. Okay, wait. Miss Palak, you are right, but actually, you know that a doubt is here. Please try to clear it. In which colony you are living? What is the name of your colony? Let me know, please. No. Let me know, please. In which colony you are living? Navasta Road. Suppose that a neighbor who just lives in front of your house, he is very vagrant, he is very vagabond. Okay, right? He is a criminal. He is having criminal mindset, right? Suppose that one day he abuses you without any reason. What you will do? You will not do anything because you are. Listen to me. Fight. Listen to me. According to you, fighting is very bad. Quarreling is very bad.
Yes, sir.
The world will go on the rule of construction,
Yes, sir.
right? Yes, with the peace. Listen to me. And listen. Okay, let me complete, Miss Palak. Let me complete. If you listen to me, if you do not give him proper response, next day definitely he will try to beat you. And if you listen to me, third day, second day, if you are, that you are getting punishment properly, you are being beaten by your neighbor properly, third day he will come to your house, he will say that just go from this house, it's mine. What you will do?
Let me answer back.
Yeah, right answer.
Like if they are doing so, we can also fight sit the proper way, and we can also discussing the
On the road you are going on Monday. One boy see and he abused you abuse back or not. Just tell me you're talking about it.
It's a personal matter, yaar. It is not the matter of India and Pakistan. Listen to me. It is her personal matter. It's not the matter of India and Pakistan. Right?